what's up, sweetie? Hi. We are at the Tao Social Media Pre-Emmys gifting suite where we're going to go inside.
Hey guys, I'm Gleb Savchenko from Dancing with the Stars, and I am at an amazing gifting suite. It's Pre-Emmy suite.
Hi, I'm Nick Vial. So far my expectations have been exceeded. There's a lot of energy here, a lot of fun. I can't wait to get started.
What's up? My name is Will Simmons and I'm here at the Emmys gifting suite right now.
This is a new concept coming from Shag Bag. You can choose I love, I care, I dream.
It's handmade bullets and we're promoting compassion and peace instead of war. Everything is handpicked and recycled into this jewelry.
Look at this! Wait, they're so comfortable. I just want to go to sleep right now.
I'm with the Privilege Hotel and we are giving away a 4-night, 5-day stay in Thailand.
Can you tell us a little bit about Inflow Style?
Yeah, so we're